In this lesson, we are going to learn about simplification. We simplify numerical expression. So numerical expression consists of numbers and certain operations. And we know there are 4 basic operators used in mathematics, that is division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So let's see an example of a numerical expression 12 into 8 minus 7. So 12 into 8, 96, minus 7, 89. So if another child is solving this question in this way, instead of multiplying, he is first subtracting 8 and 7. So he'll get his answer as 12. So which one is right and which one is wrong? How to identify it? So there is a certain order which is to be followed while solving these type of questions. Firstly, we solve division, then multiplication. After that, addition comes, and later on in the end, we do minus, subtraction. So let's take another example to understand better. Let's say we have 4 plus 18 minus 6 divided by 2 into 3. So here we have got division. So firstly we'll solve the division out of all the 4 operators. So 6 divided by 2 is 3 into 3. Now we have got plus, minus and multiplication. Now we'll solve the multiplication. So we get 3 into 3, 9. Here we are left with plus and minus. So addition is solved before subtraction. So 22 minus 9 gives us 13 as the answer. Now, applying this order in the above example, we could see multiplication has to be done before then subtraction. So this one is the right method. This one is wrong. Sometimes in simplification questions, expressions, we have got bracket also, and bracket also have got an order to be followed. We solve bar first, which is also called as vinculum. So let's say 4 minus 1 written in bar. It will look like this in the question. And if we have got parentheses, parentheses are basically the small brackets. So 4 minus 1 written in parentheses. This is the sign for curly bracket. So 4 minus 1 in the curly bracket, and square bracket is this one. So what does it mean? If we have this numerical expression which has got all the 4 things, we are going to first solve bar, then parenthesis, then we'll come to curly brackets, and in the end we'll come to square brackets. So to summarize all the rules, we have got V BODMAS. What is it? Vinculum is solved first, then brackets, then we solve off if there it is in the question, then division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So let us understand better with an example with a question. Half of 14 minus 12 minus curly bracket 9 minus 7 minus 6 minus 2 under a bar, and then close all the brackets. So this is the question. So we could see bar over here, everything else will not be solved. Firstly we'll start with 6 minus 2 which has got bar on it. So everything else will written same. So 6 minus 2 is 4. Close the bracket. After this we are left with 3 types of bracket, and we know which one to follow first. To solve first, we solve the parenthesis first. So 9 minus 7 minus 4 is 3. Close the brackets. Now half of 14 written as it is. 2 brackets are left. Out of curly bracket and the square bracket, we solve curly bracket. So 9 minus 3 is 6. Half of 14, only square bracket is left. So we'll solve this. We get 6. Now out of off and subtraction, so off is solved first. So half of, how to solve off? We just replace it by multiplication sign. So we get half of 14 is 7 minus 6 equals to 1 is the answer to this numerical expression. So this is how we solve simplification question, just to remember V BODMAS.